So what are you guys gonna do after you leave?
Probably gonna spend some quality time with the microwave.
What about you, Rocco?
My parents went to Mickey D's last night, so I'm probably gonna bust that down.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I will. See you guys.
Alright, bro.
Alright, bro. Alright, see you. Alright, bro.
Alright, bro.
I can't wait to have my leftovers.
One eternity later.
Oh, my leftovers. They're ready. Oh.
It's kind of warm out here. It feels a little bit like 98.5 degrees, which is exactly how hot the microwave can get in a matter of 1.5 seconds. Yo, shut up. Is that Rocco? So what happened? You look like
I was up all night waiting for my food to cook in the stove.
horrible. Nothing like that has ever happened to me since I bought my microwave. You know, it can prepare any dish in under 5 minutes.
What's a microwave?
You are so lame. My grandpa has a microwave. He was on the Oregon Trail. Look, okay, just come inside. I'll show you how the cool kids cook their food. There's no facts in there. Where you going?
Oh, yeah.
This is a microwave.
It can heat your food faster than you can say, oh my god, the Soviet Union just signed the Warsaw Pact.
Wait, the Soviet Union signed the war. I feel young again.
You need to get one. I guess I have to get one on the way home from work.
So I told her, just because it's the Cold War doesn't mean she gets my jacket.
I got a microwave. Do you guys think now maybe I could sit with you guys at lunch?
Alright, one second.
No.
Alright. Yeah. Alright. Maybe. Yeah, you can sit with us.